Good morning, good evening, everybody. My name is Marissa Romero, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make YouTube videos go viral and 3 things you can start to implement right away into your YouTube business and your YouTube content. So go ahead and stay tuned to this video. Welcome back to the video, guys. My name is Marissa Romero, and if it is your first time to this channel, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future content. For those of you that have subscribed and have been following me, thank you so much, and you may have noticed that my background has actually changed because I am now officially located in Medellin, Colombia for the next 3 months, more or less, and so it's really exciting. I'm a digital nomad, and I picked Medellin because it is a beautiful city. I've heard really great things about it, and so far for the first 3 or 4 days that I've been here, it has not disappointed at all. Just wanted to let you guys know that there'll be a lot of cool footage coming up from this city, and I thought it was a beautiful day, beautiful background, so I wanted to shoot this video for you guys outside. So if you guys like the topic of today's video of making YouTube videos go viral and you like the background and the whole vibe, go ahead and hit that like button on this video. I'd appreciate it very much. And so a little bit about my channel. It's at 13,000. It's over 13,000 subscribers at the making of this video. It's September 17th. 2018, and I was able to grow that many subscribers in just a short amount of months. I think it's about 5 months. I started going hard on my channel in the middle of March 2018, and now I've reached, 13,000 subscribers. I think it's at least 500,000 views, and I've had some videos that have done pretty well, including ones like this one and also this one that have gotten tens and thousands of views, and it's because those videos are actually solving people's problems. They're answering what, why, and how, and pretty much the foundation of making a viral video is the high quality content, giving people actionable steps that they can implement right away into their business and that they'll appreciate, and maybe a light bulb will go off in their head on what they could do next, and maybe it's an issue they've been having, a problem that they've been having for a while, and your video just answered their question. So yes, this video I talked about 3 steps you can do to make your videos go viral, but I'm actually talking about 4 steps, alright? And so that first step, we call it the 4 P's, okay? And so there's the first P, and that stands for promise. So what are you going to promise your audience, or, I guess that's kind of a strong word, but what are you going to tell your audience that they're going to learn, and the knowledge that they're going to have after watching, your video? So for example, if I'm in the fitness niche and I have a video on nutrition tips, I could say something in the beginning like, hey, my name is Marissa Romero, and I promise you by the end of this video, you're going to have at least 5 different simple recipes at home that are going to be very easy to make on the go and at home in less than 5 minutes. So it's that initial promise, that initial hook that you give people at the beginning of their video for them to stay tuned till the end of the video. The second P in the 4 Ps is actually picture. So I know this might sound kind of lame, but you kind of want to paint a picture of the problem and the solution, and kind of give a storyline and actionable steps throughout what it is you're talking about in the main topic of discussion. So for example, you may talk about a before and after scenario. So sticking to the weight loss niche, you could tell people, like before, you could talk about maybe your results or somebody else's results, but you can kind of paint the picture of what something may look like. So maybe before, you're unmotivated, haven't been working out very well, your body feels like crap, and da 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 da. And by implementing these certain steps, by the end of taking action, people can expect to see this, this, and this. With taking these action steps, it's inevitable, and people like to hear the full picture and what the end result is going to look like. The other thing about painting a picture is really, it forces you as the content creator to really think about your content and map out carefully what it is you want to say to your audience, because you have to, you don't want to dwell on your content and, be spending hours like, okay, I'm going to say this, this, and that. But it is a good idea to write down some bullet notes, outline your thoughts, and think about what message it is you want to get across to your audience. For example, in my videos, I spend probably about 15 to 20 minutes doing research on other related videos on my topics, and also I spend about 5 minutes or so jotting down notes on the main points that I want to hit in this video. Okay, so the third P in the 4 Ps is actually proof. First of all, talking about who you are. So what makes you credible? Are you the CEO? Who are you? How many subscribers do you have? How much revenue have you produced? How many sales have you had? And even if you don't have results, that's okay. You can still talk about, the success you've had and the steps that you are taking and the results that you plan to have. People like that because people like that you're being vulnerable and are actually willing to, document your journey and share what you are doing. So either way, you have to have proof. So my proof in this video for you guys, as an example, was the 2 videos I made go viral. And when I mean viral, it's pertaining to the size of my channel and the number of subscribers I have. So what's considered viral on my channel would not really be considered viral on a channel of somebody that has 2 million subscribers, for example. So, but for my channel size, those videos are pretty good, and I don't know many people who have been able to make their channels grow from 0 to 13,000 subscribers within 5 months. But really what it boils down to with proof is whether you have results or not, people are going to know right away whether you're knowledgeable on the topic or not. And the way you get more knowledgeable on a topic is, of course, creating content around topics that you love and that you're passionate about. Because if not, and if you're talking about something that you have no idea what you're talking about, people are going to see right through you, and they're not going to believe you on your video, and they're going to exit off the video, they're not going to subscribe, they're not going to like the video. So that is why it is important to provide that credibility when you're filming and you want to talk about some type of proof. The last and final thing you want to talk about in your videos, and make sure you do, is your pitch. Okay, so it is very, very, very important once you're delivering the value, once you delivered and answered, what, why, and how to do something. It is important after the video to send your viewers somewhere, whether that's a link in your description. Well, it will be a link in your description, but whether that's to your lead magnet, your affiliate offer, to maybe your free course, whatever it is you're giving away for free, or maybe whatever it is you're selling, okay? Because people are always wanting to know, okay, now what do you want me to do next? People always will listen to you. They want to listen to you. They want to know what action it is you're giving them to do next. And also make the pitch clear. Make your call to action clear. So whether it's subscribe to the channel, click the first link in the description, visit my social media, visit my Instagram profile, link in the description. Make sure it's clear. Don't give too many commands at the end, because then people will just get confused and not do anything. So make sure it's clear what you want people to do, and of course tell them to tune in to future videos. And that concludes my topic today on the 3 to 4 tips on how to make a video go viral on YouTube. I mean, there's a ton more that I can give you guys on the technical side, such as thumbnails, tagging your videos, making sure you have end screens and cards, stuff like that. That is all making sure that YouTube is optimizing your video to the best of your ability, to the best of their ability. So you want to make sure you have those. And if you guys are interested in my free YouTube marketing course, I will leave a link to that in the description below. It goes over the foundation of starting a channel, what you need on every single video, kind of like a checklist, how to go over your YouTube analytics and use YouTube analytics to figure out what content of yours is going well and how to duplicate your winning content. That out in the link in the description below. Also, what I wanted to talk about was, a lot of you guys have asked me, what equipment do I use to film my videos and how do I make my videos? So let me just say, whatever you're doing, just get started. Maybe you're still a smaller channel and looking to grow, but maybe you're held back because you think, oh, I need that fancy camera, You don't. Let me tell you, I got my first about 5,000 subscribers with literally using just the software, the screen share software called SNAGIT, and I use the webcam in my laptop, which is terrible quality. But you know what? It's not about the quality of the footage, it's about the quality of the content. I can't stress that enough. So now what I use is I use a webcam, a Logitech webcam. It shoots in 1080p if I'm doing tutorial style videos. Right here, this camera, I just created a video on it. It is the Panasonic G85, perfect vlogging camera and content creation camera for YouTube. I also have a ring light that this camera is standing on. It's about $85 on Amazon. Screen share recording software, I use Snagit and also Camtasia. And also, I only use iMovie to edit my videos, but I am going to actually start upgrading. I'm looking into Final Cut Pro. I think that's the easiest transition between iMovie and a more reliable video editing software. So that is what I'm going to move towards next. I really hope you guys enjoyed the content of this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments where you're at in your YouTube channel. If you're just getting started, what your struggles are. I want to hear from you what it is that you want to know about your YouTube channel and really making it pop and really making your videos go viral. Alright, so it's been a great time here. I will catch you guys on the next video. I'm Marissa Romero again, and I will see you guys very soon.